Welcome back, America, to your Caribou Data Science channel. Today is Friday, June 11th, 2021. It is time for your daily COVID-19 analysis. Before we get started, I have one small favor to ask you folks today. That's you to click on the share button, share this video, share the good news, because there is good news today, uh, on your Facebook and your Twitter accounts today, alrighty? Thanks so much. Let's get on with the show. Okay, so what you can see that U.S. currently has 33.4 million cases, 598,000 deaths. Mortality rate is climbing, which in our case is actually good because what this means that the gap between cases and deaths is increasing. No, this means that the gap between cases and deaths is decreasing. So we don't want to place too much stock in a mortality rate, okay? But here's what we do. Here's what we do put our faith in. That is the trend is our friend. And on June 9th, we had 18,647 deaths. On 6/3, we had a 7-day average of 15,120 on average, okay? Cases. What about deaths now? If you come down here, you can see on June 10th that we had 20 deaths reported. On June 2nd, we averaged for the 7-day period ending June 2nd, we averaged 489 deaths, which is a significant drop from all the way back up here at 3,265 deaths, okay? Now look at this nice long declining pattern in cases here. All right, weekly cases, and it's a nice long declining pattern in weekly deaths. But you look at this. This is 2,500, so this is about 1,200. 1,200 deaths a day is still a lot of deaths compared to other diseases. Okay, this is monthly cases. You can notice here last month how it was the lowest since all the way back over here. Monthly deaths. Look at this nice 4-month declining pattern in monthly deaths. So that's good news. And what this is a number of COVID-19 cases per 100,000 people in the U.S. So if this is 12 and a half, this is about say 10. So we're averaging about 10 COVID-19 cases per day for every 100,000 people in the U.S. This is what's more fun. This is one half person per 100,000 per day. This is the number of people who are dying from COVID-19 for 100,000 people in the U.S. Well, you can see here, okay, that this is this is one half person. Okay, so this would be a quarter person. So that means less than 1/4 of a person for every 100,000 people. One fourth of a person is dying from COVID-19 now. So this is nothing but good news. Of course, we gotta we gotta but I think it's important to understand even in the end, to a certain extent, COVID-19 is still a band-aid. It's a much better band-aid than wearing face masks and social distancing, but it's still a band-aid. Because as long as there's one person who doesn't get vaccinated, there's a chance for COVID-19 to come back. Okay? But anyway, that does conclude the report for the United States for today. So before I let you go, I just want to ask you, I want to ask that favor one more time. Click on that share button. Share this video on your Facebook and your Twitter accounts today. Share the good news that cases and deaths are falling like rocks in the U.S. Thank you so much for your time, America. We'll catch you Sunday with an updated report.